Step-by-step guide to sanding and finishing hardwood flooring. Sanding and finishing hardwood floors is a transformative process that restores beauty and extends the life of your flooring. Whether you are a DIY enthusiast or a professional contractor, mastering this process ensures stunning results. This guide will walk you through preparation, tools, techniques, and finishing options to achieve a flawless outcome. Room preparation. Clear the space, remove all furniture, rugs, and items from the room. Seal off the area. Use plastic sheeting to cover doorways and vents to prevent dust from spreading. Inspect the floor. Look for nails, staples, or other protrusions. Hammer nails down or remove staples. Repairs. Fill cracks, gaps, or holes with wood filler compatible with your floor's type and finish. Tools and materials. Sanding equipment. Drum sander, edge sander, orbital sander. Sandpaper grits, coarse, 3640, medium, 6080, fine, 100-120. Wood filler, matched to floor color. Finishing products, oil-based or water-based polyurethane, penetrating oil, or wax. Safety gear, dust mask, safety goggles, ear protection. Cleaning supplies, vacuum, tack cloths, damp rags. Sanding process. A step-by-step sanding. Start with coarse grit. Use 3640 grit to remove old finish and level the floor. Move the sander along the wood grain. Overlap passes slightly to avoid uneven sanding. Edge sanding. Use an edge sander or hand sand corners and edges. Progress to medium grit. Switch to 60-80 grit to smooth out scratches from the coarse grit. Finish with fine grit. Use 100-120 grit for a smooth surface ready for finishing. Vacuum thoroughly. Remove all dust and debris before proceeding. B. Professional tips. Always keep the sander moving to prevent gouges. Inspect frequently for even sanding and re-sand areas as needed. Use a damp cloth to spot remaining dust. Finishing process. A. Types of finishes. Oil-based polyurethane, durable and amber-toned, best for high-traffic areas. Water-based polyurethane, clear and fast-drying, with minimal odor. Penetrating oil, enhances wood grain with a natural matte look. Wax, classic finish for a soft sheen but requires frequent maintenance. B. Application steps. Stir, don't shake, finish. Prevent bubbles by gently stirring the product. First coat, apply with a lambswool applicator or brush, following the grain. Dry time, allow sufficient drying as per product instructions, usually 12-24 hours. Screening between coats, lightly sand with 220 grit sandpaper or a buffer. Additional coats, apply 2-3 coats for optimal durability, allowing proper drying time between each. C. Professional tips. Use long, even strokes to prevent streaks or lap marks. Avoid applying too much finish, which can cause pooling. 5. Maintenance tips. Regular cleaning. Sweep or vacuum regularly to remove grit. Use proper cleaners. Avoid harsh chemicals. Use products recommended for hardwood floors. Prevent scratches. Use rugs in high-traffic areas and pads on furniture legs. Refinish when needed, lightly sand, and reapply finish every few years to maintain the floor's beauty. This guide from 180 Degree Floors provides everything you need to achieve professional-grade hardwood floors. Whether you're taking on a DIY project or refining your skills as a pro, these steps ensure a durable, stunning finish that will last for years to come. If you found this guide helpful, don't